Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money by downloading apps. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to share to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So stay tuned and never miss the important parts of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. The first app I'll show you today is InstaGC, which allows you to earn a lot of money by simply downloading it for free on your phone. Go to instagc.com, which is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones. On InstaGC's Facebook page, you'll see this is the name and this is the logo. On their Facebook page, they're very open about it, including all of the payment papers. They've provided many payment proofs, which you can see below. People earn money in a number of ways and receive payments directly into their bank or PayPal accounts, as you can see. Even if you don't have a PayPal or bank account, you can use this service. You can also get free Amazon gift cards with your money. You may check it out on their Facebook page for yourself. You might be able to earn points for things you already do online. Let's imagine you can get paid by merely clicking a few buttons to complete some easy surveys like illustrated above. What's holding you back? You will get awarded for every minute you spend surfing the web, visiting other websites, or conducting a few Google searches if you have a few minutes to spare each day. Also, I've realized that watching videos is a method that I appreciate. This is one of my favorites because you only have to press play to have the video play in the background. You may even use numerous tabs to watch multiple videos at the same time. You may also complete surveys or conduct web searches while viewing movies. That's how a single app can create multiple revenue sources. You may join InstaGC using Facebook, Twitter, or Google, or you can simply supply a username, password, and email address and click on the button to sign up for free and you'll receive 10 points right away. We'll now proceed to the second app. The name of the app is appkarma.io. It claims that playing with apps can earn you rewards, and that this is absolutely free. You won't have to pay anything, and the best part is that they'll work on both iOS and Android smartphones. The points you earn on this app can be exchanged for PayPal or a range of top brand gift cards. All you have to do is click this button to download AppKarma immediately on your phone. And you'll be able to start earning 300 points right now. Each 100 points is worth $1. So if you don't do anything, you'll get $3 for free. Now, anyone who wants to quickly multiply their earnings and make more money on AppKarma may simply share their invite link or referral code and earn 30% of what their referrals earn. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. Last but not the least, the fact that you can simply log in and receive daily rewards by simply logging into the app is one of the reasons why this app is so strong and that you can simply install it for free and make passive income without doing anything else is one of the reasons why this app is so strong. Make a habit of checking in every day and you'll be rewarded with extra perks just for doing so. This is entirely out of control. They'll award you different badges every time you complete an achievement or conduct specified actions, and all of these badges will help you level up if you want passive money without doing anything. As you can see, acquiring all of these badges will increase your reward level by 12.5%. thus multiplying your earnings. So make sure to check out all of the achievement badges and obtain as many as possible to optimize your earnings. Now I'll show you the third app I'll be showing you today. This app is known as CashKick. You can check out cashkick.com to see whether they'll pay you in cash, so cash is the best option. They'll basically deposit the entire sum into your account. They take both bank transfer and PayPal money. It says on this page that you can get started right now and get paid instantly into your PayPal account. And that you can take various surveys, find many wonderful deals, view movies, and surf the web, which is similar to InstaGC, but they will give you even more money. Again, I want you to focus on watching videos since there is where you will make the most money. Simply enter your email address and password, then click this button to get started right now. It's time to move on to the fourth app. SuperPay is the name of the app. You may now go to superpay.me and earn money online by participating in free paid surveys. They also offer a lightning-fast payment mechanism, with money arriving in as little as 24 hours. You can collect your money and the minimum cash out amount is really modest. You may work from home and do as much or as little as you like. Plus, you'll get a 20-cent sign-up bonus if you sign up now. At the time I'm shooting this video, they've already paid out to millions of customers all across the world. This is a really simple concept to grasp. You may register for free right now and receive a 20-cent bonus right immediately. Following that, you can take part in various surveys and complete various offers before being rewarded and cashing out your money in a variety of methods. All you have to do now is click the button that says subscribe for free today. This will direct you to a website where you can register for free. Simply fill up the areas below with your personal information and mailing address. Simply enter your payment information to be paid once you've done all of the tasks. And then read and accept the terms and conditions. By clicking this I'm not a robot link, you can create a free account. These apps are quite transparent about how much money they pay their users. Here you can look at numerous proofs of payments made by people from all over the world. The name of the user, the date, the payment method they use, the amount they withdraw, all are visible. This is self-evident, and I recommend that you use all of the programs I have demonstrated today to maximize your earnings and make a lot of money. That is how, using the approach I just taught you, you can earn hundreds of dollars every single day. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money by downloading apps. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.